Hi everybody. Welcome to Business Wala. Listing business ideas. This section gives you a list of business ideas you plan to as one of them. Do you have any other idea? It's okay. Her eyes to a device which might inspire you start the business you love. You need to be encouraged and motivated. Also having joy. Why doing it? If you are not enjoying what you are doing, you will no longer stay in the business. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Start your business of what you have right now and don't delay it. For example, what you are thinking to develop both site and you have your own laptop, but you have a basic knowledge of programming languages and unitless in the programming groups, and it is very expensive. And of course you do have money. In this case you might think to find your business till he gets money and join that God's way for you, that do not delay anything. Just one of what you have won't. Now you know and I know that this will not work, so you need to find out. I know that if it did go away to enroute programming skills in my point of view. These Chaiva's Throat is not a programming book. I was shooting program. Channels are everything. You can join our free online. In this case you will not waste your time waiting till the money comes. This is the most embarrassing thing in business, since you have a limited budget and the materials you have to think of something simple would not cost you a lot. And later you can expand and grow your business. Adding another services or products are opening new branches. For example, sell donuts where you have that services such as place and money. If you keep where you think you are not going to serve the business, start it right now of what you have. My advice is start small now and get bigger later. Stand where nothing is better than not studying at all. If there is no chance, create one and make a chance, but do not sit and wait. It's good to start small because risk chances are less. In case you did not make money, or if the business does that, worry, you have nothing to lose and you serve it again stronger and wiser. Learn from your mistakes. Now think of 3 ideas and throw them down in a piece of paper and try to describe it in at least 2 lines or big. Any idea from next slides? Once you know and do, you have an excellent skill. And keep reminding you. If you face of these, if you have, then it was shown. Please do not miss it. Going to attack me by any go. I will give you a list of business ideas, either products or services, and you need to choose 2 or 3 years to come up with different ideas. Is owning and developing website Andre requires computer and programming knowledge? Gone to worry if you don't have. There are lots and lots of late at audience, so use them. Graphic designer. It requires a computer with designing programs, designed tutorials that are available online, and make sure you are using legal copies. Mike, I think you need to go ashling skills and knowledge about the good or service you are marketing. Gone they should knowledge and some things expert face off of their chest area listening and gone and sing skits highly requirement. But you need to be specific. Which are you going to focus on? Completely varying. It's one example of broke businesses. And first of planning. You need to have planning and creativity skills and event materials such as would you know snow trainer knowledge on training subject and training skills. You can be a fitness coach. You can be, for example, You can be person uncivil augmented throne. You just need to have this training skills and enough knowledge in that subject. Mechanic who thinks and experience how I meant it to build a custom mattress. This is an example of is this. Photographer. You need to know how to take pictures and you need a professional camera. You can take photos for events, conferences and weddings. You plan by disposing photographing exhibitions. You mean you can look in long goal and you can sell your photographs. Bitter beating materials thronging and creating discounts. It's possible. I buy a club this designer who needs to have designing skills and globe this material. This is product business. Here so this. Experience and working with you. Yes. That required. It's simple. You get basket Saracens. You only need to have rabbi in designing some. Makeup maker experience and working with you. Yes, I required all this, I guess, which I'm giving grace now. Oh, so simple. You can start by now. No more nothing. And every idea is music lessons. You need to have skills of playing and then devices such as violin or a guitar or BA. Gorgo cake and cupcake baking and decorating, extra fats in cooking and creative thinking. I think cooking equipment are a hybrid acquired this kind of productiveness. Business of terraces knowledge and extradites in developing the sense of glass. Sometimes you have to have a degree in business so you will build trust between you and the client. This business is very profitable business lesson. Buying and selling are from eBay. You need an account on eBay site and protection the sum of money to buy items to sell it to a third party. This is private business. Freelance free thing. You need to have writing skills and experience in writing formal letters. Researches Lebar. It's just an example. You can log into review freelance so you only need to have a content. Then you can start your own business freelance from .com. Just log into every last cent of gulp. And your business is into go. Social media. So this is something you get expert up on. Social media sites is here recommended and then experience in responding to the boss to create a buzz. 3. A good debater you manage. Event in this day. If you are thousands of words I think. Furniture making or furniture designing. Knowledge and experience creativity skills can bring to it all. And the place of the workshop. This is kind of a business. Thank you for watching this video. Press the like button and subscribe to Business Wala.